Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
I'm pretty good. How are you?
I'm doing great. What's your name, please?
My name is Mohammadpur.
Mashruk, where are you from?
I'm from Dhaka, Bangladesh.
What's your current status?
I'm applying for student. As a student, I want to go abroad to study masters. I'm looking forward to go to Canada, where my family lives.
So, what do you do in your leisure?
In my free time, most of the time, I love to read about physics, astrophysics, and quantum physics. These are the three subjects I spend most of my times in a day. Though I'm not a physics student, I'm not a student of this premise, but I still love reading about and gaining knowledge about this subject.
Do you sometimes use email?
I use email.
Okay. What kinds of emails do you receive about your work or studies?
Recently, I've been applying for a lot of universities abroad for my studies in masters. So I receive a lot of emails from the corresponding universities all around the world. And for business, I am a freelance content maker. So I receive a lot of emails for the videos I am trying to make and for business purpose.
Okay. Do you prefer to email, phone, or text your friends?
It depends on the circumstances. Some people are better on phones and some correspondence is better in emails. Recently, as I'm applying for students in different universities, the best correspondence is through email. But if I'm talking to a friend or family, I would rather prefer to talk on the phone. But above all, I would prefer to talk to someone in person among all of the communications.
Do you reply to emails and messages as soon you receive them?
I normally try to send a message as soon as I can, but it also depends on if I have the information as required. So I try to respond as promptly as possible.
Okay. Are you happy to receive emails that are advertising things?
I don't prefer emails just for advertising because in today's days I can look up about any products just going to a website or something. So I rather prefer not to receive emails just for advertisement.
Thank you very much. That is the end of IELTS speaking part 1.
Thank you.
Have a nice time.